Hello, start doing this on TikTok. Once you open your TikTok app like this and you scroll on your FYP, while scrolling on your FYP and find a video like this one, you press on the share button, watch to the end because the video is helpful. Then guys, you press on copy link. Make sure I watch it to the end guys because it's helpful. After copying the link, you come to your browser guys, and type in and search Synaptic like that one. Then guys, you're going to press here, and then guys, you paste the link here, and then you paste the link you copied for the TikTok video right here guys. You paste the link here, and then after you press on download. That's how you can save videos from TikTok without any watermark or TikTok logo. Like the video, share it with your friend if you find it interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.